Hello everyone. Today we will talk about anti-vibration tables. So what are anti-vibration tables? They are specialized workstations for highly precise measuring and testing instruments where even the slightest vibration can compromise the integrity of the results, leading them to be unusable. High precision anti-vibration tables ensure accurate and reliable measurements for sophisticated machinery. So, what are the applications where these tables are used? They are used in metrology instruments such as coordinate measuring machines, contour measuring machines, gear profile testers, surface reference testers, and so on. For precision equipment in the semiconductor industry, life science industry, and material science industries. For high resolution measuring instruments such as scanning electron microscope, testing electron microscope, and atomic force microscopes. In addition to testing machines such as very precise nanoscale analytical balances, where even seismic vibrations lead to fluctuating results. What are the parameters taken into consideration while choosing a table? So, Dynemech's anti vibration tables are selected based on the frequency of incoming vibration at the customer's site. The variants include the natural frequencies of 7 to 8 Hz, 4 to 6 Hz, 1 to 1.5 Hz, and below 1 Hz. Customers can specify additional requirements such as cabinets, drawers, monitor stand, or keyboard stand, in addition to which standard table designs are also available, the technical details for which can be submitted as per customer requirement. Dynemech has a dedicated facility for manufacturing of anti-vibration tables, which includes fabrication, powder coating, and a clean room for precision assembly. Here we have a demo of an anti-vibration table. We can see there are two glasses, one which is connected to the bottom of the table through a through hole and encounters vibration at the bottom of the table, the vibration zone. We can also see the other glass which is located on the free floating isolated granite slab which is vibration free. More context about Dynemech is they are machinery tool manufacturers that manufacture anti-vibration pads that contain industrial vibration. Dynemech has been into the manufacturing business for the last 23 years. They have a wide product range starting from insulation plates, wedge mounts, self-leveling pneumatic systems, and have now diversified into anti-vibration tables, spring isolators with and without viscous stamping, in addition to other mounting solutions. Thank you. So today we have the CEO of Dynemech System Private Limited, and he's here to clarify some very frequently asked customer queries about anti-vibration tables. So, how do you select anti-vibration tables for an application?
Yeah, we do the selections actually. So it depends upon many factors, such as the type of the equipment which needs to be isolated, weight of the equipment, and the location of the site, if it is on the solid ground floor or it is being installed on a suspended slab, or it is going to be installed on a third, fourth, or fifth floor of a multi-story building. So also we check the weight of the equipment, and then we measure the vibration level at the site. We conduct the FFT analysis, and then we ask customer to provide us with the vibration tolerance limit of the equipment, and generally they get it from the equipment manufacturer. And Then we do some maths on the collected vibration measurement results, and we calculate the vibration isolation efficiency using our anti-vibration tables. And then we compare the results with the vibration tolerance limit at the site and make the final adjustments before proposing a final anti-vibration table to the customer.
Right. So, which all machines require anti-vibration tables? Are there any specific machines that need to be protected from vibration?
Yeah, generally these anti-vibration tables are required in all sophisticated measuring and testing machines. So, like in automotive industries, there are metrology machines which measures gear profiles. Then there are coordinate measuring machines, surface roughness testers, like this. And in semiconductor industries, there are measuring and testing machines like SEMs, TEMs, AFMs. And then in pharma industries, there are precision analytical balances. Similarly, in every industries, there are measuring and testing machines which needs to be protected from the surrounding vibrations. So, actually, all measuring and testing machines, they need anti-vibration tables.
Right, right. When should a customer select to use an anti-vibration table?
In case the customer is sensing vibrations at the site due to the fact that there are disturbances due to production machines installed nearby, or there is a construction site nearby, or machines are installed at higher altitude in a multi-story building. So the customer knows before installing a sensitive machines that there are going to be vibrations and their readings will be affected with those vibrations, and then they may call us to conduct vibration measurements and to select right anti-vibration tables for them. Or there are instances when the customer already has installed the equipment in their facility, and then they face problems like in a microscope while zooming the image, they face shaking of the image. And in certain machines there are upper and lower tolerance limits. The values always fall out of the limits, or there are digits in the display, and if the last one or two digits fluctuates, then it indicates that there are vibrations in the surroundings. So there are these kind of factors which if the customer is facing these kind of problems, they call us for a solution.
Right. So thank you so much for clearing all of the queries we had today.
Thank you.